Crypto is crashing and these are actually good news. Watch this video. If you are a crypto investor, if you are a trader, you gotta watch this until the end because this is what they want. You panicking is what they want. Let me start by saying that I have been in trading crypto and investing in crypto for the last 5 years plus, and I have seen this 1,000 times. Manipulation, agendas, influencers, KOLs, companies. Everyone wants you to sell, everyone wants to get their hands on cheap crypto because that's how you make money. Let me actually make it simple for you to understand. When Bitcoin was at 110,000, everyone in the groups, in my communities, everyone was talking about why I didn't buy, why it's so expensive. I wish I bought more when it was at 80,000. Guys, are you paying attention? There's where we're going. Even if we go to 90,000, that is already an entry. Even if we go to 80,000, it's an entry. These are discounts for you, for the long-term holders, and for the traders. If you want to hold your crypto for the next 10 years, you don't need to worry about a simple crash of 10 to 20%. Nobody cares. It's not gonna affect the market that much. But if you are a trader, if you are fully stable right now, which I'm actually as well, I got a lot of stable ready to buy in this market. These are good news because if the prices don't decrease, if the market doesn't crash, when are you going to buy? So as I say, don't go and believe everyone that is all this BS. That's what it is. The market is crashing, this and that, we are going hurt, 5 years bear market. All this is BS. That's what I'm gonna say. As mentioned, if you believe in the space and if you are in a stable, or if you holding crypto already, if you holding, don't care about it, just go out, have some fun, meet your family, do something else, hustle in somewhere else. Today, don't look at the charts because this is pretty normal in the space. We have seen this 1,000 times. Ups, downs, all-time highs, all-time lows, pumps, dumps. That's how investing works. That's how crypto works. And that's how it's gonna be forever. But you gotta know one thing. Pay attention because these are the times where we actually made the most amount of money in crypto. At least when we trade in the top ones. If we trade in memes, nobody cares about it. But if we trade in top 100, top 50, top 10 cryptocurrencies, or even just Bitcoin, these are the good times. Don't think that these are the bad times. But I'm so tired of all the crypto BS. Instead of them telling you guys, don't panic, this is normal, these are some news. It's all with the BS. It's all with the thumbnails that everything is crashing. It's all with the trying to get the attention for the views, because most of these KOLs or big influencers or whatever it is, or YouTubers, they are millionaires already at this point. Those who have been on the market for over 3 years, for example, 5 years, are already at least over $500,000 in their portfolio, because there is a lot of money to be made. Trust me, I can tell you that. But they want this because they actually can get a little bit more. It is content for them, and of course, you're gonna be selling and they're gonna be buying cheap, which is what they want. So, this is a message for the regular investor. Yes, the markets are pretty cheap. So I'm gonna be talking a little bit of my entries and what I'm actually planning to do in the next few days if the market keeps on dropping, which I believe is what I want. Now, let me be honest with you. I want Bitcoin at 80,000. I want Bitcoin at 50,000. I wish Bitcoin drops to 10,000. I promise you guys. If you don't believe me, I have my co-wallets, which I hold for until 2030-35, because a lot of them are actually staking and locked. I cannot use them. But I want the price to go to 10,000, 15,000, which is not going to happen, or at least to 50,000 so I can buy more. I want Ethereum to go to $1,500 so I can buy more. I want Solana to go to $20 again so I can buy more, because when the prices were, those were the prices in the market, I didn't buy enough. And I wish that we can get there so I can buy more. Trust me, I want that. So don't panic when you see the prices going down. If you bought Bitcoin yesterday at 100,000, for example, and you were waiting to 110 to sell, well, this is bad news for you. I understand. But you are covered. Don't worry about it. We're going to get there already. It can take a week, can take 2 months, can take a year. 10 years, but it's gonna happen. You know, we are trading the most scarce like currency in the world right now, which is Bitcoin, and that's not gonna change. Now, Bitcoin, as mentioned, if it goes to 85, I'm buying already. I'm buying a little bit. If it goes to 80, I'm buying a little bit. 90, I'm actually getting a little bit already because all-time high is 110 something, so we're still pretty good. Ethereum 2000, I'm buying a little bit. 1,500, I'm buying a lot of it. So I'm gonna be tagging this like I'm buying a little bit, I'm buying a lot of it. So Bitcoin 80,000, I'm buying a lot of it. So keep that in mind. SRP, I don't have any SRP. I wish I have, but I haven't got any good entry. BNB, I mean, it's Binance centralized. I mean, we know what can happen. FTX, blah, blah, blah. But if it goes to 400, I'm buying a lot of it because historically, I have made a lot of money in BNB and I actually do like it. Solana, 100,000, $100 per coin. I'm buying a bit of it because we know that it's fueled by the meme season, blah, blah, blah. If it goes to 50, I'm buying all of it. So I'm gonna tell you that. And then we have, of course, some molders. I'm actually looking at Mantle. I'm looking at Athena. I'm looking at a few of the big players. Happen Liquid. If it goes to $10, I'm gonna be buying more. Mantra, $4. That's my entry. I want to actually buy more. But my use in the bear markets, you gotta be in the top players. And of course, local coins, low market cap coins, let's say from 10 million to $100 million market cap, they're gonna be the most hurt. So a lot of them are gonna die, like a lot of them. I can guarantee you that. But Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, BNB most likely, which is still there is a small risk because it's from Binance. But if Binance dies, the crypto space is gonna be like on the floor anyway. So I never expect Binance to die. It's the #1 exchange, and at this point, they have been checked 1,000 times. Their CEO has been to prison. So, I mean, this should be clear by now. So, Binance should be fine for the future. And as mentioned, you stay to the top 20, for example, top 10, top 20, because in the bear markets, those are the ones that are going to be keeping you guys the safest. Those are the ones that are going to be keeping you guys sleeping at night. So, keep that in mind. So, I'm not going to be talking a lot. Just going to tell you guys the agenda that they want. Big funds, big companies, governments, KOLs, influencers, content creators, communities with big following. They want you guys to be panicked. Remember, they are using content, more clicks. They are trying to go all over the top because I see a lot of people actually sending me DMs of what is going on. The bear market is here and chatting in the community. We are not there yet. All this is too much panic. Don't worry about it. Crypto is dead. My dream is dead. This is just, being blah, blah, all over the top. Don't worry about it. We are not there yet. So yeah, I mean, be smart. At the end of the day, your money, you do whatever you want. I'm not going to sit here and tell you what you got to do with your funds. But I'm telling you guys that I have been in this same situation. I have seen this 1,000 times. And the outcome is always recovers a little bit and then we have a pump. Or we can go down for a few months, but then we're going to recover. So it's all depend. You should be panicking now if you hold some low market cap because that is risky. And they are going to be getting hurt the most. But if you hold the top players, you should be fine. Just go ahead, relax, have a coffee, a beer, have some fun, enjoy your day. This is nothing. This is just the same crypto, YouTube, BS. Nothing different, nothing new, nothing fresh. It's just the same of the same. And if I make a crazy thumbnail and the crypto is dead, blah blah blah, and all this, I will get more views. But I don't care about that. I care about giving you guys real information, personal information. I mean, like honest opinions, because that's what I care about, to help you guys. And I believe that this is actually that this is not that a big of a deal. It's just a regular little bit of a crash, regular day in the space. So we are not canceled. This is not going to hurt. It's not urgent. It's nothing. It's not like this. This is just, I don't know how do you call it in crypto when you use a thumbnail that is not really what you're gonna talk about, but you get my point. So yeah, I mean, enjoy your day. I'm gonna actually have 2 picks for today. I have a risky one which is going to be a little bit on the fun side, and actually have, of course, a tier 1 prayer launching in the next few days. Now, we keep on trading. We keep on investing in sales. We keep on investing in pre-sales, fair launches, because at the end of the day, this is not going to stop even if we go to the bear market. Actually, there's going to be more because they're trying to extract as much money as possible from the market. But of course, we can still get the initial pumps and then get out and move to the next one. That's going to be my personal advice. Pre-sales, fair launches, wait for a little bit of a pump and sell. Get some profits because usually they're not going to be going anywhere. Just a few of them are going to be making the long-term run. But most of them, they are not going to make it. So you got to be fast. Anyway, that's it. I don't know why I keep on showing this, but market is normal. No much is going on. Don't panic. Have a nice day. Let me know in the comment section. What are you holding? What are you trading? And what are you buying? We are getting into the discount zone. We are getting into the discount zone. Remember, there is where generational wealth is made. In these times, if I see a 50% drop in Bitcoin, I'm going to be selling all my properties and buying Bitcoin. I promise with you. If I see a 60% drop, I'm going to be selling myself. I'm going to be putting myself in a bank, getting whatever money they're going to give me, because we have seen this 1,000 times. It is guaranteed profit at this point. So yeah, I mean, have some fun. Have a good day and stay ninja.